It is hot out today. It's like 90 degrees. This is perfect. I just came in from outside and need something refreshing that's not cancerous. Trying some bilberry tea for the first time. I just took an unboxing video where we got a huge, like $300 or more box of herbs. It needs 10 or 20 minutes to steep first. So I'll just enjoy some cantaloupe until then. Bilberry tea? Oh, there's the bilberries in there. It needs some time still to steep. I had some cantaloupe, had some golden berries, and tweeted and posted an Instagram story. All right, now let's move on with our lives. These golden berries, some of them are sweet and some of them are sour, but most of them are sour. Yeah, that one was sour. Oh, my jaw is locking up. All right, my tea should be ready, actually. All right, ready for some bilberry tea. It's my first time trying it. Oh, I wonder if it's been in there long enough. That doesn't look dark enough. Maybe that has not been 10 or 20 minutes. I thought it has. All right, the bilberry steeped a little longer and now it has a nice berry color to it. It looks like it's gonna be good, but let's taste. Okay, so the footage stopped right there, but it should have shown me sipping it and going, oh wow, this tastes really like cranberry juice, but not sweetened. So this footage, I don't know where it disappeared, and then I had the idea, I'm gonna make cranberry lemonade out of this, but with key limes. So I don't know where that footage went, but anyway, this is the next shot of me making 2 pots of bilberry tea, squeezing in a few key limes, and adding agave. That's just how simple it is. And it's extremely refreshing in the summer. Chilled. Is that it? Yes, I'm editing in a rocking chair. Don't let that distract you. All right, this is fully chilled, and here we go. I'm drinking it in a teacup. Don't judge me. All right, I'm gonna taste the, what am I calling this? Cranberry lemonade? Yeah, right. Oh man, it's so good. Wow. Sometimes you just nail it. This is one of those times. It's so good. That was a success for sure. Oh wow, this is really good. Wow, it's so good. I don't know what else to say. Nailed it. Let me know if you're gonna try this down below. Today has been such a positive day on social media. Now I'm sitting by the pool. I've got my Trader Joe's. I've got my Trader Joe's coconut smoothie. Got my hat. I'm ready to chill. Also, I'm in the shade. It's 90 degrees out.